Hello everyone, I'm Johnny Chang from the world of waterfalls, and in this video we are going to pursue the Sycamore Canyon Falls in the Santa Monica Mountains. Alright, so here we are at the windy trailhead of the to pursue the Sycamore Canyon Falls. There's actually another one by the Sawiwa Visitor Center, but I think that one is like obviously paid. We're parking at the windy trail head, so we don't have to pay. Well, I can't run.
Careful, Daddy. You can go on that side if you want.
Well, these boots can go through a little ankle-deep water. It's not a big deal. All right, so we're on the windy trail. We're actually taking the one that kind of skirts the foothills. Behind me is the parking area along Potrero Road. And behind me is the rest of the family heading up the windy trail to the Sycamore Canyon Falls. So far, I'm on a bad wheel. Left Achilles is a bit. I injured it earlier in the week, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, it's a little sore. Even walking this far, I'll probably have to bust out my my trekking poles and probably use them as crutches at some point. But we picked this hike because it's an easy hike, and yeah, I'm kind of testing it. We'll see how it goes. Interesting route. Huh. You're gonna bypass the Sycamore Canyon overlook, but I don't think you care about that, do you? Okay. Still limping a little bit. Can't put all my weight on my left foot, but I think I can manage. Looks like this area is still seeing some. I guess it rained a couple days ago, huh? A little bit. Thursday, right? Yeah. You know, but where you're yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah, over here, muddy. Yeah, here you should.
Oh, let her pass.
Let her pass.
Yep.
Sorry, excuse me.
No worries.
Okay,
Oh, Dad needs one? Okay, I could do one. Let's see. I have to do it with my left. There's an overlook if we take the more gradual way. But this overlook is nice too. I'm glad I took the jacket off.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yep, I told you. Oh, really?
Yeah, no outlet.
Okay, so we have to go right and then go left.
It's a good name.
There's a part where it says go right and then go left. go. All right, so we are back on the the Bony Trail. This is the one that's a lot more well used. As you can see, it's shared by a lot of hikers and trail runners. Now we're back on familiar territory. Ooh. It's a helicopter. Yeah.
Always, in case of, weather change, you can keep yourself.
Yeah. Now this part looks like it's prone to washouts. Like it'll keep eating at this trail over time. Yeah.
Somebody don't pay attention.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we saw like a helicopter. Is it like looking like a search and rescue kind of a thing going, or?
Most likely they're just running like a exercise, like a drill.
Yeah.
It's Ventura County. They have a whole search and rescue wing that they.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
It's a perfect place for training. And
yeah, yeah.
on the rare occasion somebody gets lost or hurt.
Yeah. All right, so we're at the point where the Bony Trail now merges with the creek responsible for Sycamore Canyon. On a day like today, there's actually a lot more water, so yeah, there's bound to be a few creek crossings. I'm glad I brought my hiking boots. And my dad left me one of my trekking poles for a little balance, especially on a bad wheel. And yeah, now the fun begins. Yeah, not fussy over here. No, the boots can handle it. That's why I don't. That's why I brought the boots today. For the reason, for things like this. That's why I did it. Looks like we're rising above the canyon here. All right, we're at a trail junction. We are in Sycamore Canyon. We're actually gonna keep going and avoiding this path over here, which actually keeps climbing. So, just so you know. I think we're there, right? This is it. Oh, okay. To the left. To the left. Yeah. Is it flooded there? Yeah. Okay. You got to go here. Yep. Yep. There's enough rocks to stay balanced. Up to here. Don't stay in the gully. And then go up here. Yeah. You want to go first? Yep. I might need it because I think I might touch poison oak. This part's a little bit Alright, so here we are at the Sycamore Canyon Falls. As you can see behind me, she's got pretty good flow this time. You know, we've had a bit of a mixed history with this waterfall. I think the first time we were here, it wasn't flowing that well. The second time we were here, it did a lot better. And there's even snow in the mountains nearby. And then the third time we were here a few years ago, there was hardly any water. And now our 4th time here. Probably the best flow we've seen in all the times that we've been here. And so yeah, nice way to celebrate the Chinese New Year or the Lunar New Year. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. Are you done?
Thanks.
Thank you. I think you caused a log jam. I'm not going down that way. Alright, that's the last look at the waterfall before it's time to go. Alright, let's go. Vamonos. It's not bad. Who are you to determine it's bad moss?
Yeah.
Leave it alone. You're gonna lose a stick doing that.
No, I'm not. Look it. I'm gonna lose it, huh? Right.
The closer you get, the more it gets cut off.
Yeah.
One time we went this way before. We took the lower trail.
Yeah.
Like we took the Satwiwa trail all the way to the mouth of the canyon. Then we took a different trail up this way. Hot.
Is there 7,290 steps around?
They must get really busy here. They actually stationed a ranger here.
Yeah. All right. All right, we made it back to the junction of the Boney Trail with the Hidden Valley Overlook Trail that connects with the direct trail that goes right back down to the Wendy Trail. And I think we're gonna go the direct way, back the way we've never taken before until now. We're all a bit sweaty, even though it was really cold this morning, like in the 40s this morning, but now because we had to climb out of Sycamore Canyon that you see down below, yeah, we all worked up a sweat, and we're looking forward to having a lunch. They get in the way a lot, but it saved me on Sasalagwan when Sue reminded me to use the sticks, because that helped on the uphills. That you could use that to push off, and so.
Five are my favorite things. Reminds me of Paradise Falls Trail a little bit. Very wide and open.
Yeah.
I kind of like trails like this where it's not so crowded. We see the grandparents.
Yeah.
I don't know if see the grandparents. It is a coat.
You already saw Heather that was like,
Potrero.
Well, we were trying to park next to your mom.
Yeah.
They were standing there.
Yeah. Huh.
Okay.
I know.
Not a big deal.